Hello and welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, tell me why pointers are eliminated from Java?
Sir, first point is pointer leads misconfusion to programmers. And another point is pointer may crash program easily. When we add two pointers, the program crashes immediately. The same thing could also happen when we forgot to free the memory allotted to a variable and re-allotted to some other variable. And last point is pointers break security. Using pointers, harmful programs like virus and other hacking programs can be developed. Because of the above reasons, pointers have been eliminated from Java.
What is the difference between a function and a method?
A method is a function that is written in a class. We do not hail functions in Java. Instead, we single quote have a methods. This means whenever a function is written in Java, it should be written inside the class only. But if we take C++, we can write the functions inside as well as outside the class. So in C++, they are called member functions and not methods.
Which part of JVM will allocate the memory for a Java program?
Classloader subsystem of JVM will allocate the necessary memory needed by the Java program.
What do you understand by Java?
Java is an object-oriented computer language. It is a high-level programming language developed by James Gosling and Sun Microsystems in the year 1995. Java is a fast, secure, and reliable language used for many games, devices, and applications.
Which part of JVM will allocate the memory for a Java program?
Classloader subsystem of JVM will allocate the necessary memory needed by the Java program.
Which is the main feature of the Java?
1. Object-oriented. Java is based on object-oriented programming where the class and methods describe the state and behavior of an object. 2. Portable. A Java program gets converted into Java bytecodes that can be executed on any platform without any dependency. 3. Platform independent. Java works on the right ones, run anywhere principle as it supports multiple platforms like Windows, Linux, Mac, Sun Solaris, etc. 4. Robust. Java has strong memory management as there are no pointer allocations. It has an automatic garbage collection that prohibits memory leaks. Interpreted. As mentioned, Java compiler converts the codes into Java bytecodes which are then interpreted and executed by Java interpreter.
Which algorithm is used by garbage collector to remove the unused variables or objects from memory?
Garbage collector uses many algorithms, but the most commonly used algorithm is mark and sweep.
What do you mean by an object?
An object consists of methods and classes that depict its state and perform operations. A Java program contains a lot of objects instructing each other their jobs. This concept is part of core Java.
How to call the garbage collector?
Garbage collector is automatically invoked when the program is being run. It can be also called calling GC, method of runtime class or system class in Java.
Differentiate between Jdk, Jre, and Jvm.
JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine, which provides the runtime environment for Java bytecodes to be executed. Jre, Java runtime environment, includes the sets of files required by JVM during runtime. Jdk, Java Development Kit, consists of Jre along with the development tools required to write and execute a program.
Define inheritance.
Java includes the feature of inheritance, which is an object-oriented programming concept. Inheritance lets a derived class inherit the methods of a base class.
What is JIT compiler?
JIT compiler is the part of JVM which increases TB speed of execution of a Java program, and it stands for just-in-time compiler.
Explain method overloading.
When a Java program contains more than one method with the same name, but with different properties, then it is called method overloading.
Any two major difference between C++ and Java?
Multiple inheritance feature is available in C++, whereas no multiple inheritance in Java, but there means we can archive it by using another mechanism called interface. Pointers are available in C++, whereas we cannot create pointers in Java.
Okay, what is a class in Java?
In Java we have to write everything in class. It archives on additional security to program. Java encapsulates codes in various classes that define new data types. These new data types are used to create objects.
Which is the three main part of Java?
There is JavaMe, SENE. These three parts available in Java.
How many types of comment available in Java?
There are three types of comment available in Java. It is single-line comment, multi-line comment, and documentation comment.
Can we execute any code, even before the main method? Explain.
Yes, we can execute any code, even before the main method. We will be using a static block of code in the class when creating the objects at load time of the class. Any statements within this static block of code will get executed at once while loading the class, even before the creation of objects in the main method.
What is Classloader? Classloader is a subsystem of JVM, which is used to load class files. Whenever we run the Java program, it is loaded first by the classloader. There are three built-in classloaders in Java. How are positive and negative numbers represented internally? Positive numbers are represented in binary middle dot using one single quote s complement notation, and negative numbers are represented by using two single quote s complement notation. What are control statements? Control statements are the statements which alter the flow of x tilde cushion middle dot info proved bet. Control to the programmer on the flow of execution. They are useful to write better and complex programs. Can you have virtual functions in Java? Yes, all functions in Java are virtual by default. What is the difference between do, while and while? Which loop is efficient? In a do, while loop, the statements are executed without testing the condition the first time. From the second time only the condition is observed. This means that the programmer does not have control. In a while loop, the condition is tested first and then only the statements are executed. This means it provides better control right from the beginning. Hence, while loop is more efficient than do. While loop